Hello friends, welcome to Google Tech. Today we are going to deal with the day number 32 of DAX functions. We have successfully completed 31 days of DAX functions in Power BI, where we have discussed about a lot of different DAX functions, which is including 31 different types of DAX functions in Power BI. If you are watching our channel for the first time and if you are feeling that we have missed to watch our previous 31 days videos, not to worry. We have provided the playlist link in our description box. You can go ahead and click on it. You can watch our complete playlist whenever you are free. And if you are feeling we need to more improvise our channel, please post your comments in the comment box and we can reach out to our social media platform so that we can improvise our video. We can provide the worthful and informative videos. Let's start with the today's session. So we are currently dealing with the statistical DAX functions in which we have already completed average, average A, chi-square dot inverse, distinct count, conference dot norm. So all these 5 DAX functions we have completed and we have almost 20 more DAX functions in statistical DAX functions, but we have taken these 5 and one more which is very important which we felt, so we have taken it for the discussion of the last statistical functions of this video, which is cross join. What is this cross join function will do in Power BI? Probably this cross join function you can hear it in SQL. How this work in Power BI we are going to see in this video. I request everyone to not skip this video and watch it completely so that you will not miss any single piece of information about the cross join DAX functions in Power BI. Let's start with the today's session. So since it's a cross join, we are going to create a new table instead of new measure and new column which we have defined in the previous column. So this is going to create a new table which is crossing and joining the two different tables into a single table. So I am going to name it as cross table, which is equal to cross join, and you can see the syntax is like cross join table 1 comma etc, which means we can add n number of tables how much ever you want. This returns the table that is cross join of a specified tables, which means you can get the return as different tables which is cross joined together. So I'm going to give two tables which is list of orders and give the command. You can see there is a table 2 enabled over here, which means you can add the other table. I am going to add hierarchy 2, which is not having the other extra table. I am going to close the bracket, hit enter. So go to this data view table and you can see this hierarchy 2 only have player name, and list of orders in our sheet we have all the other items. So I'm going to check it here for the cross table what are the values I got. So for each and every row item which is 16,462 row item, I have added the each and every player name which is for Dhoni, Kohli, Pandya and Rohit. So these are all the names added for all the table. Let's check what is the count we have taken. So totally we have 4115 rows and we had 4 players, right? So let's check it. 4115 rows into 4, which is equal to 16,460 rows, which is ideally our result, which means each and every individual player name, which is our Dhoni, Kohli, Rohit and Pandya, all these player names are automatically get involved into the our list of orders table, which is like every row item get added with the player name. Hope you have understood this cross join table. If you have any queries, please do reach out to us via our social media platform or through a comment box or feedback via our feedback form. Thank you for watching this video. We'll meet you in the next exciting video. Until then, bye from Google Tech. Thank you and Jai Hind.